In this video, let me show you how to reset the password of your MacBook Neo in case you forgot it. So if you're over here, you don't know what it is, you try everything and nothing works. The first thing you need to do is to press the top right button over here. On this basic model, there is a lock icon on it. If you have the upgraded MacBook Neo, you're gonna have the Touch ID button. Simply keep it pressed until the screen is completely black, usually for about 10 to 12 seconds. Okay, the screen is black, I can release my finger. Now wait around 5 seconds just to make sure that the computer is completely shut down. And then you're gonna press this button and I'll tell you when to release it. So keep it pressed and wait. Okay, don't release it. Wait until under the Apple logo you can see load startup options, and now you can release it. Once you see load startup options, you can release it, and the Mac will not boot up as usual. It will boot up in a special menu. Okay, perfect. Now we need to choose this option on the right, which is options. Click on it and press continue. Wait a few more seconds. Now, you don't have to click on any of these main options over here. We need to go up where you see utilities. Click on utilities and select terminal. It's the last option. Now we'll have to we'll have to type over here using the keyboard, reset password in lowercase, not in capital letter. Reset password. Here we go. Let me just show you. This is what I typed. And now press the enter key. A reset password menu will open. And at this point, you need to click over here, deactivate Mac. Once you click deactivate Mac, you'll be able to reset to create a brand new password for this device. And once you have created the new password, I won't do it because I don't want to deactivate my Mac. I know my password. All right. You're going to click exit once you have gone through the menu of clicking deactivate Mac and create a new password. And then you're going to go on the top left corner and select restart. The MacBook will restart normally and you'll have to enter the new password you just have created. Thanks for watching. If you found my video useful, please take a moment, comment down below, tell me it worked, subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you have more time, check my Amazon links to get accessories for your MacBook Neo, some cases, some USB drives, many other things. See you.